A trip to Turin or Torino is just as what every trip to Italy should be. Eat, drink, and be merry. In the city, you've got to step on the bull's balls, admire magnificent sights, munch on trapezzini, visit the world's very first Eataly, and enjoy aperitivo at an ancient pharmacy. First, let's find out the meaning behind the city's name.
Torino actually means little bull in Italian. That's why the bull is the symbol of Torino.
We begin our Turin journey in Piazza San Carlo, which is the epicenter of the city. Stroll along the main street via Roma, where a large martini sign can't be missed. Piazza San Carlo is where the city holds significant events from concerts, rallies, fashion shows, and even the 2006 Winter Olympics.
A tradition here in Torino is that you have to step on the balls of the ox, or c'est une vache, a bull's balls. It's a sign of good luck.
Stepping inside Caffè Platti is to step backwards in time of grace, elegance, and artistry. The legendary bar and restaurant was frequented by artists, intellectuals, politicians, poets, and bourgeoisie since the 19th century. Enjoy beautiful pastries or do it like us. Order a table full of trapezzini, Italian sandwiches made with 2 slices of white bread with trimmed crusts. Right in city center, Farmacia del Cambio is a delicious bistro and a nostalgic hotspot for aperitivo. The location was once a Bastente pharmacy, which explains the dark wooden shelves, glass jars, velvet booths, and vintage multi-drawers. The bistro is a fantastic option for Piemontese-style breakfast, lunch, dinner, or simply cocktails. Another significant landmark is Palazzo Madama, which translates to Queen. In the 19th century, the first Senate of the Kingdom of Italy was placed here. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Palazzo features Turin City Museum of Ancient Art, and just a few short steps away, you'll also find the Royal Palace of Turin, which belonged to the House of Savoy.
It's a video! Drinking coffee at Eataly.
There's no better place to get lost than at the very first Eataly. The high-end gourmet food marketplace might be international today, but the location at Lingotto is the very first megastore that combines high-end and high-quality fruits, vegetables, food, and wine.
Eataly is actually from Torino, and just look at the amount of different types of pasta there is.
I mean, just look at all the pasta. All the pasta.
When you come to Torino, you have to eat in Eataly. It's actually from here. Guys, this is the Coca-Cola in Torino, and has tire tracks on it.
Una di queste 3 carte potrebbe essere la carta di Giulio.
The Basilica of Superga is breathtaking, perched on top of the hills of Turin. Built in 1717, the church was a promise that the Duke had made when the army won the Battle of Turin against the French. The Baroque-style church contains numerous tombs of several royal members of the House of Savoy. Designed by architect Filippo Uvara, the dome is similar to Michelangelo's dome at St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City.
Now eating this chocolate from Guido, Gobino. It's so good. It just melts in your mouth.
For chocolate lovers, head over to Guido Gobino for artisanal handmade chocolates that will melt in your mouth. Giuseppe Gobino started in 1964. The chocolate brand incorporates local recipes, even chocolate creams from Turin like Gianduiotti and Gianduia. Nothing makes better souvenir than a box of tasty and well-made chocolates. It has been said that the trapezzino sandwich was invented at Caffè Mulassano. The tiny hot spot is perfect for a pause to rest your feet with afternoon tea, a cocktail, or, of course, a few sandwiches.
This is Palazzo.
C'est exactement ça.
Many Italians.
Ouais, parce qu'en Argentine, il y a eu plein d'Italiens du Nord. Moi, j'ai plein de cousins saïdons qui sont partis en Argentine.
Turin is known for tegamino pizza, which is taller with a spongier touch, almost like focaccia. A great place to taste tegamino is at Il Padellino, where a colorful menu features a long list of frying pan pizza toppings.
This is outside. It's only eaten in the north. It's made with chickpeas, flour, water.